I don't know what the fuck I'm talking. Oh! Dude, that fucking leaf came out of nowhere, son. That shit tried to kill me. Look, I know you guys can't tell, but that wheel is coming up. It may be only like a half an inch, but it's coming up. And that shit, it will come up. Don't get me wrong. It will come up. I just, honestly, guys, I'm fucking terrified of it, dude. I've never wheelied anything. Out of all the bikes I've had, I've never been able to wheelie one. And so this is my starting process with wheeling, which is kind of funny, you know. Oh, hey guys, I'm gonna start wheeling. Oh, what motorcycle are you gonna start on? It's a fucking scooter. But man, and I'm also doing it in the grass because, like I said, I'm fucking scared. I don't want to fall and bust my ass. I've done enough of that in this life. I'm sure I'll do a lot more of it. But check this out. Check this out. I mean, I don't know if you guys could tell, but that wheel came up. It'll come up. And I maybe have to put my foot down for it to come up. But I know this thing would wheelie even like going along like this. Like I said, that wheel comes up, and you know, if I were to do it on concrete, it'd probably help. I know. But that wheel will come up. It's just, what is that? It's just, I'm scared of it. And it also, a problem with me doing it in the grass, I know, again. A problem with me doing it in the grass is that the tire likes to spin more than it likes to catch. Which is still a blast, let me tell you. That shit's a fucking blast. To spin around on this thing, get all sideways, get some side action, some slide action. As old Cycle Cruiser would say, some slide action. Dude, I love that guy. That was another one of the ones I used to watch all the time, man. You can't go wrong with Cycle Cruiser. All-in-one motorcycle YouTube channel. See? Cycle Cruiser, if this video ever gets to you, please get another fucking scooter. I know you used to have one. I know you did. But get another one. And that's not a question, that's a command, Cycle Cruiser. I don't know your real name. I don't think anyone does. But see, it'll come up. But man, I want more YouTubers to start doing scooter videos. Because look, right now, there's only maybe 2 or 3 big scooter channels. Like, or not big even, but you know, decent. Like, you know, I think like 80,000 or something like that, if the ones I'm thinking of are correct. But you know, I'm here to take that. I'm here to take that crown right out of their hands. No disregard. Don't take this shit too serious, man. It's fucking YouTube. It's some bullshit on the internet, and I'm just having fun with. But I'm here to take that crown. And you know, I can't say that enough. Like, don't think I'm doing this because I want to be this big famous fucking YouTuber. If I wanted to be this big famous fucking YouTuber, I wouldn't be sitting here riding a scooter trying to do fucking wheelies in a park. But dude, I have a fucking blast doing it. Even if I look stupid. But you know, I want more YouTubers doing this shit. There's this guy. I'm gonna give a shout out to him. You know, all probably 3 of the people watching this can go look at him. And go to his channel instead of mine. But his name's Too Slow Tom, and he rides a little scooter. I mean, I started watching him when he was riding the 50cc, but now he's got this little 125cc, and he wants to get a Grom. And I'm like, dude, woo! I don't know him. I've never talked to him, but I'm like, dude, get a fucking scooter again, bro. Get a little scooter like I've got right here and keep doing what you're doing, bro. That shit was a blast to watch. I don't want to see him riding a fucking Grom around like every other person and their grandmother. I want to see someone on a fucking scooter getting some slide action. I'm not trying to take his shit, but now it's in my head. But one day, I will wheelie this scooter, and it will be the most badass, maybe not badass thing that you've ever seen. Nope. Okay, see, we had something going there. I put it back down because I got scared. Again, dude. I don't know. See, that's my thing. I'm scared of it coming back, and I even lean forward. I'm sure you guys can tell that. I lean forward when it comes up. See, that was fucking mint. If I could just hold that right there, how it was. If I could lean back and stop being a little bitch boy, lean back and fucking just let it fucking fly. But not fly back on me, because that wouldn't be fun. But you know, if I'd stop being so scared, I know this thing will walk. I know it will. So, I'm gonna probably head out of this little park right here. And just take what I... Anyways, I've probably made myself look stupid enough for today. You know, riding around on my little scooter looking all badass. I've probably done that enough today, so I think I'm gonna end the video, guys. If you liked it, smash that like button. Oh man. If you like the video, you can like it if you want. If you don't, that's whatever. You're still cool. If you want to subscribe and see more of this fucking quality content, then go right ahead, bro. Go right ahead. Don't let me stop you. And don't let... Look, so what if your girlfriend sees your YouTube history and sees that you've been watching scooter videos? Anyways, like I said, I've made myself look stupid enough, so I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Bye. Woo! Dragging that fucking knee right there. Watch this. I'm fucking Guy Martin on a scooter, dude. That will... Don't take that out of... Okay.